Now we will try the fish pose or Matsyasana. First, you have to bring your feet close together. Then take your arms and position them underneath the body. So slide your arms under the body. You can move, take the arms in. Good. Then with your elbow joints, you press downwards and lift only the upper body up. So head, chest and upper body. Now take your sternum or the chest up towards the ceiling. Point it up. Open the chest. Maximum. And then just drop your head back and lean back till the top of your head touches the ground. This is known as the fish pose or Matsyasana. This is only half fish where we are not doing anything with our legs at the moment. They are straight. You try to go for deep breaths if it is possible. For coming out of it, you have to lift your head up and slowly take your back down and then release your arms from under the body.